How's it going, everybody? My name is Blaine Gibson. I'm part of the dump fabrication team here at Diamond C Trailers. Our fundamental of the week is watch your language. It says here that every interaction sets a tone and creates feelings. Be careful to say please and thank you and speak in a way that is friendly and helpful in building trust and respect. Be careful not to use language or nicknames that could be disrespectful, offensive, or divisive. This fundamental hits home for me because I come from a career path that's pretty rough and tumble. Coming from a construction and pipeline background, feelings aren't something that are considered very often. I've learned here at Diamond C that you really got to take people's feelings into account, and if you don't, you break trust, and without trust, you don't have a team. So my challenge for you this week is to go out and try to use your body language and your verbal language to build trust within your team.